Sermon number 203. Transience of this world, and importance of collecting provisions for the next world. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. A people, certainly this world is a passage while the next world is a place of permanent abode. So, take from the passage, all that you can, for the permanent abode. Do not tear away your curtain before him who is aware of your secrets. Take away from this world your hearts before your bodies go out of it, because herein you have been put on trial, and you have been created for the other world. When a man dies, people ask what property he has left, while the angels ask what good actions he has sent forward. May Allah bless you. Send forward something. It will be a loan for you, and do not leave everything behind, for that would be a burden on you.